Hey, what's up? Corey Gray with Launch Agency coming back at you with lesson 16 preview of our course ChatGPT for credit repair business owners. So this lesson is your key to unlocking the world of charge-offs and crafting compelling dispute letters that remove them. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the nature of charge-offs, their impact on credit scores, and how to approach them with real power and confidence. I'm going to show you how to master the art of prompting ChatGPT to create persuasive letters that address charge-offs specifically, focusing on strategy and effective communication. I'm going to give you a real-world scenario with Michael as we guide you through crafting a dispute letter to tackle a charge-off account from a credit card company. You're going to learn specific guidelines for submitting dispute letters. Of course, we want to teach you how to communicate effectively with the credit bureaus and also how to negotiate resolutions that favor your clients. Sound good? All right, well, lesson 17 isn't just a tutorial, it's really like a pathway to becoming an expert in tackling charge-offs. You're gonna leave this lesson equipped with knowledge and skills to make a real difference in your clients' financial lives. So if you're ready to face charge-offs head on, go ahead and click the link down below to enroll. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to our channel so you can stay connected with all these cutting-edge techniques and strategies that we're going to be teaching you. Can't wait to see you on the inside of the course. Go ahead and enroll now.